Welcome to Hicks and Dracon, here be dragons. So, you've got your computer, you want to install Windows 11, but every time you try, you get this message that pops up and says that you just don't have the right hardware. You know, your system's not compatible with Windows 11. What do you do? You know, you've got a decent system, maybe you've got an i3 or an i5, it's just older. Well, you can disable those little issues. So, you're going to want to go ahead and download Rufus at rufus.ie and just download whichever version you want, standard, portable version, etc. The only difference is portable version does not require you to actually install it. You're going to go ahead and launch the application here, pop in a USB drive to install off of. Okay, you're going to leave this disk or ISO image, and right here, if you don't have a copy of Windows, select download and then click on it. I already have a copy, so I'm just going to hit select, click here, and then I'm going to select my Windows disk image. All right, you're going to want this standard Windows install. Most likely it's going to be GPT, unless your system is not GPT compatible. Then you can use MBR. Most likely it is going to be GPT compatible. Leave everything else the same here. You are going to want to hit start. Right here, remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM. You want to be sure that is checked. That's going to turn off all these requirements, which is going to allow you to install onto pretty much any computer. And then you can go ahead and choose all the rest. If you don't want an online account, you can turn it off. You can have it create a local user, and etc. Then you're going to want to hit OK, and then click on OK, and it's going to start making that disk. After it is done, pop it out, stick it into the computer that you want to install and boot off of it, and it will install Windows with no prior requirements, no TPM, no secure boot, and no RAM requirements. So, I hope this works out for you. Have a great day.